Hey babes, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know y'all already see the title of this video, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyways. So today my camera came and I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys. It literally just came like a couple minutes ago. So I'm gonna basically be unboxing the camera for you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I didn't touch anything. Like, it's literally still in its packaging. My address is on here, but like it's just still in its packaging. I didn't even open it, nothing like that. So I'm about to do that. So yeah, it actually came a day earlier. I also do have some other accessories. I'm gonna be unboxing those too. So I think I'm gonna do the accessories first, and then I'm gonna get to the actual camera part. So before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias down below or somewhere on the screen, and comment down below any video ideas that you guys might have for me. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Anyways, so the first accessory that I really got was like the tripod. It's the GorillaPod 500. It looks like this. Hold on, let me take it out. So it's just like a regular tripod. I'm gonna put how much it costs on the screen. I got this from Walmart. This one cost $30. Ask me why I paid $30 for a tripod. I couldn't tell you, but so yeah, this is what it looks like. It could curve and stuff. So like when I'm vlogging, yeah, I mean that's pretty much all there is to it. I also got, this is like the other accessory, like this is all I got for the camera. I got this SD card also from Walmart. This is $10. It's a 64 gigabyte SD card. There's not much to it, it's just, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get to the camera part. Before I start opening the camera, let me just tell you guys, I got the camera from Best Buy. When I tell you I could not stop watching YouTube videos about like the reviews on it. This camera is the Canon PowerShot SX740HS. Pretty long name, but also put that somewhere on the screen so you guys can see how much it runs for at Best Buy. I got mine for $399, basically $400 plus a warranty. So it kind of rounded up to about $450 plus the tripod and plus this SD card, so about like $500. So it probably would have ran me cheaper if I got like a pack from like Amazon where it comes with like a whole bunch of more accessories plus the camera for like maybe about $400. I've seen a couple that I liked, but they wouldn't come when I wanted them to come. So yeah, now we're gonna get to the camera. I don't really want to show y'all my address, so I'm just gonna open this part first and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm opening the packaging. I cannot, y'all. I thought the box would be bigger, to be honest. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Anyways, so I think this part has my address on it or whatever, but this is what the box pretty much looks like. This is the back of it, the side, and the other side, and that's what that part looks like. I'm so happy. Okay, let me chill. So I'm gonna open it. So I'm opening it now, and it comes, let me turn to the side so y'all can kind of see. So the first thing that pops out is like the limited warranty that I got. Now this is like the handbook, the getting started. Tells me how to use it. I'm probably gonna have to read this because I don't know what this is. It's just a paper, I don't know. Okay, so first thing that I see is the battery charger. Let me take it out. I really like, hold on, let me open it first before I start explaining. So this is the battery charger. You're supposed to like plug the battery in right here. And then like in the back, it's a plug that you pop out and then you just like put it into the wall. And then this says charge and this says full. So when it's charging, this will light up, and when it's full, this will light up. So I'm probably gonna have to charge the battery off camera because I don't think it comes charged. I don't think the battery comes charged. But yeah, that's the battery charger. Next thing, here's the battery. The battery, oh, it only comes with one. I'm probably gonna order like another, maybe like 2 more batteries. So this is what the battery looks like. So you plug it in like this. Wait, yeah, I don't know how to use it. Oh yeah, you pop it in like that, and just plug it into the wall. So I'm gonna plug this into the wall right now, and let it charge up, and then so I can show you guys the camera. While it's charging, I'll show you the camera, but then I'm gonna have to wait for it to charge up so I can show y'all the camera quality, and yeah, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like while it's charging. So as y'all can see, it says charging, so it's not charged at all. So I'm gonna charge it and show y'all the camera in the meantime. Okay y'all, so now it's the time that I've been waiting for. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I just took like this little case out. All right, oh, there's one more thing. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So this is a wrist strap that goes on the camera. Let me just take it out for y'all so I can see. I'm definitely gonna put this on my camera because when I tell y'all I'm clumsy, this is just like a safety precaution. So now this is the time for the camera. Okay, I thought it would be heavier, but oh my gosh. Okay, let me kind of show y'all. Oh, I don't want to touch up on the screen yet. Okay, y'all, this is the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna give y'all kind of like a 360. So this, oh, y'all see my fingerprint that I already got on there? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to wipe that off, but don't mind that fingerprint. That was me. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, let me just show y'all what it has on it. So this is the microphone, that little place right there. This right here is the on and off button. It has a flip up screen. So yeah, that's the flip up screen, the flash. So like, you know, so I just like kind of push this little tab right here and this will pop out, and then to put it back, I just press it down. This camera shoots in 4K. I really like it. Okay, this is the zoom right here. This right here, I'm gonna have to like see how to use it because I really don't know yet. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm guessing these are like the modes right here. This little jack right here is for HDMI if you're gonna plug it up to your TV. Yeah, this camera doesn't have a microphone jack, so you can't really insert microphones, but the audio on this is good, so I don't really need a microphone. But if you choose to have one, I mean, that's you do that if you want to. Okay, I forgot to show you all the bottom of it. So this right here is to put the battery in and the SD card. When the battery's done charging, I'll show you how to insert it. And then that little tab right there, let me show you. That little tab right there is where you put the SD card in, which I have right here. So I'm gonna put that in for you guys. And then to lock it, you just slide it back like that. And then this metal area right here is to put the tripod on. So I'm gonna show you also how to do that while the battery's charging. But yeah, pretty much this is my camera, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like, look at it. Since we're waiting, I'm just gonna pop in the SD card right now. Let me open the SD card package and I'll be back for y'all. Oh, I forgot. While I'm opening this, since this camera is 4K, you have to get a SD card that can handle that. Oops, I just ripped off the part y'all need to see. Anyway, so yeah, when I was looking at the SD card, I specifically looked for 4K when it has 10 on. Y'all, I don't even know what these mean, but I was really looking for the 4K to make sure it's like compatible with that. This is 64 gigabytes too, so this is what it looks like. I'm about to pop it out really quick. So I'm gonna pop open the lock. Hold on. Okay, so it tells you how to put the SD card in. So this way, and that part with the gold on the back, you put in first. So I'm just gonna slide it in. I don't even know how to show y'all that really. Okay, I'm gonna slide it in. All right, so you should hear a tiny click. I'm gonna put on the tripod for you guys. It's pretty much easy. I mean, you just screw it on, but y'all look, I'm gonna be a professional vlogger. Y'all look at that. Look at that. I was scared that this wouldn't be strong enough to hold the camera, but it's good, okay? Yeah, y'all, this is the camera. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when the battery's been charging or somewhat charged. And then I'm gonna turn it on for you guys and show y'all the quality of the camera, and yeah, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put the wrist strap on off camera because y'all, I was struggling. I don't know, it was hard for me for some reason, but I got it in. It goes in that like little slot right there. So yeah, pretty much. I didn't get to turn it on yet because the battery's still charging. Let me go take out the battery. Okay, so y'all seen it was charged. It's not fully charged, but for now I'm just gonna turn it on so you guys can see. For me to put the battery in, I have to take out the tripod really quick, so I'm just gonna do that. Anyway, so y'all know, y'all pop it open like that, and I'm pretty sure you put the gold part in. Okay, I got it in. What? Okay, there you go. So that little orange thing is supposed to like click and go over the battery so it can stay. So I'm gonna lock it now. Okay, so tripod's back in, y'all. I'm about to turn it on. I'm gonna flip it this way so you can see what it looks like. Y'all see all the fingerprints? Child. I'm gonna turn it on now. What it looks like. Anyways, yeah, y'all, look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna put in, it's asking for the date. Hold on. Okay, it's asking for the date, time, zone. The date, time, and the zone. So I'm gonna just input these really quick. Okay, y'all, so I finished setting it up. I'm still trying to figure out like how to really use it, because like I'm confused. Okay, definitely one thing I'm gonna have to get used to is looking at the lens. I already know everybody says that, but like, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to it. But okay, y'all, so I think I got what I needed situated so far. Okay, so I thought the camera died. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna start recording and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna probably put it somewhere on the screen. Let me figure out how to record really quick. Okay, I think I use this red button right here. Okay, so it's recording. I'm gonna compare the quality of my iPhone and the Canon camera. I'm also gonna compare the audio on both devices. So this is the quality of the Canon. One thing I can say is I really like the autofocus. Like, it's really getting me. I do like it. Oh my gosh, look at the quality, guys. I'm supposed to be looking at that, the lens. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to that, but I do very much so like this camera. I like it. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Look at that. The iPhone that I use is the XR. That's the quality of the XR while I'm recording. Yeah, so I like this. I do want to try something out though, because when I kept watching like the YouTube videos and the reviews of this camera, I kept hearing people say like, oh, it's like not as good, it's kind of grainy and low lighting. So I'm gonna stop the XR really quick, and then I'm going to go into like bad lighting. I'm just gonna see for myself if it's really like that. So bye, y'all. Okay, so before this camera dies, I'm gonna go somewhere where it has bad lighting. I don't know if I can hear like my AC, but okay, so I can definitely say in low lighting it is a bit grainy, but that's why I'm gonna be vlogging with this camera. So I'll make sure that I have good lighting so it's not this grainy for you guys. So definitely it does have a little bit of graininess, so I just make sure that I won't give you guys bad lighting. But I do very much like this camera. Probably gonna end up playing around with this camera a little bit more to figure out like what settings I like. I'm trying to think of anything else I have to say before I go. Oh, I wanted to show y'all the zoom. Hold on, before I end this video, let me just show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the zoom. Okay, let me just show y'all. So apparently this camera has far zoom, so I'm just gonna try to zoom in into that car right there. Okay, look at that, you guys. And it's still going. Okay, that's the most it can go. Let me zoom out, because let me show you how far away I am. Literally, look how far away I was. So as y'all can see, I'm pretty much, I was really far from that car. The zoom I can definitely say I like. That's a plus. What else I was supposed to say? The GX is a little bit better than this camera, but this camera has more zoom than the GX. What is it? G7X, something like that. That was the camera that I wanted to get, but it was a little bit out of my price. It was a lot out of my price range, actually. Maybe when I get more like popular on YouTube and stuff and my views go up, maybe I'll think about investing into that camera. But for now, this camera is gonna work for me because it's in my budget and it's actually a pretty good camera. Only thing I'll say I don't like is how it's grainy in low light, but other than that, this camera is bomb. It's definitely an upgrade from my iPhone. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias down below in the description box or somewhere on the screen. And comment some video ideas that you guys might have for me. And with that being said, I love you guys and stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna be vlogging with this camera, you guys. So yeah, bye.